Shaped by the passage of time, silence resonates, and mud volcanoes rise. A lunar landscape, so barren and raw, stands like nature's hidden gem in the heart of Romania. In the village of Berca, where the earth's breath runs deep, the mud of the volcanoes seeps and creeps under the expanse of an endless sky. The place performs a symphony of the mud. Each bubble and burst narrates the tale of the Earth's fiery core and eruptive vent. Should this all seem like a fantasy, come witness with your own eyes this natural marvel, where mud sculpts the earth